Belly, the one-stop shop for all essentials like snacks, beverages, grocery items, packaged food, cosmetics, stationery, fresh and organic fruits and vegetables, meat, household goods, toiletries, and many more. Leave your kids at the playpen while you shop for all your household needs, all at a reasonable rate. Hurry, visit Jolly Belly Supermarket for ready discounts and offers. Step into the store and leave happy. For details, contact Jolly Belly below Mikado Restaurant, Police Bazaar at 7005 668657 and 98630 60336. Talking to media persons on the 19th of November, Health Minister James P.K. Sangma said that even though Meghalaya is doing well in terms of COVID cases, but preparations are on for a third wave should it happen.
The situation is under control, I believe, and we are preparing ourselves for any kind of third wave, and we are hopeful that this third wave does not take place, but nonetheless we have to be prepared, and that's what we are trying to do, and trying to be prepared for that third wave.
On claims of the Mega Health Insurance Scheme MHIS coverage, covering only a fraction of the exorbitant rates charged by private hospitals, James Sangma said that these need to be examined and reviewed. He maintained that the post-COVID care was not under the coverage of the MHIS.
Well, to be honest, these figures are something that we need to examine it. And if there is such a matter where the coverage is less, we'll do a review of that. But as far as my knowledge goes, it is not so.
While reacting to queries on the safety of people, especially during large gatherings, James P.K. Sangma said that strong SOPs and guidelines have been issued by the department and close monitoring of these festivals would take place to ensure the safety of the people against the coronavirus.
We have issued very strong SOPs and guidelines, and the organizers are very, very aware of these SOPs, and we will also be monitoring it ourselves.
It may be mentioned that two festivals organized by the state government are the Megong Festival in the Garo Hills, held from 18th to 21st November 2021, and the Cherry Blossom Festival, which is scheduled for 25th to 27th November 2021 in the Meghalaya capital of Shillong. It may be mentioned that some citizens of the state had raised concerns over such large gatherings which could lead to a COVID surge in the state.